Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Apple Find My on Insta360 GO Ultra. To set up Apple Find My, first on your camera slide down from the top of your screen, then go to settings right here. Scroll down and find Apple Find My. Then you'll need to click on Start Pairing, but first you'll need to place the standalone camera in the screen part, and now you can tap on Start Pairing. Now it says make sure your standalone camera is near your iPhone or iPad. Go to iPhone or iPad, then go to Find My app, then Devices and the Add button. So I'll quickly go to Devices. There's this little plus button right here. You need to click on it and then select Add Other Item. Now I'm gonna turn on Bluetooth because I have my Bluetooth off. Let's allow new connections. Now I should be able to go here. And now when I select the plus, I can select Other Item. It's searching for items. And it has found the Insta360 GO Ultra. Let's click on Connect. And now you can name the item, then click on Continue. Now you can choose an emoji for it and click on Continue. Now I'm gonna agree. Let's wait a moment. Okay. Now it says that you'll get directions in Maps if you lose the item. You can play the sound. You can set it in lost mode, and you can share its location with someone so they can help you find it. Okay, so now we have it. I can confirm it. And now when I play sound, you can see it works. It can show me the direction. I can share it. I can set it as lost and stuff like that. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.